And this is some really good stock footage. Where'd you get it?
Yeah, got it online. Pretty cheap.
Pretty cheap indeed. Wait, what's that? Who could it be? What is it?
I have no idea. Let's check.
I see. Let's see what it's got.
Sure thing. It's upside down.
It always takes 2 tries.
Team, gentlemen, this is a pre-recorded message.
It is?
Of course it is, you idiot. Now, back a while ago, we took down the boss. But there have been whispers. Signs of his minions still showing up talking about him. I have suspicions that he's not quite out of it. And I think we need to get the team back together in order to take him out for good this time. We have to meet. Check your localized antenna for coordinates. Good luck, team. And Godspeed.
All right. Let's see how this goes. What was that? The coordinates. It says it's right at the front door. What?
Alright, let's see.
It's you.
Gentlemen, we need to talk. So, the battle. The Tyrannosaurus will move north with his undead forces. We'll be ambushed from the trees, but we have the back line of Captain Jack Sparrow and the Pac-Man holding. It'll also be flanked from the north by a copper dragon and be bombarded from the side with cannon fire and an elephant.
So, what is this?
That's how the West was won.
Oh, okay.
Is this relevant?
No, it's not. So,
Well, Murado Grant.
you're gonna have to stop there. That's not the name anymore.
Oh, right, it's Death.
No, it's not that either.
Life.
No.
No?
Wrong. 3 strikes. The new name is El Comico Grande. Or El Comico for short. You know, Grande still, because I'm still a large man, and El Comico because I'm hilarious. I'm so funny. I'm so funny.
Is that what it translates to?
Yeah, it does.
Oh.
Yeah, the big funny guy, yeah. So, if we're getting the team together, where's Queerzo?
What took so long?
You've been looking for me,
You're right.
and now I'm gonna hurt you.
That's a good testable question. Let's put it together.
Wants to play with big guns then, right? Let's see who wants this.
Guess we're the best, not like the rest. Yeah, he's done for. Didn't stand a chance. No, not at all.
Wait a second, I forgot the body! Yeah, get in there.
Ah, crap, now I have to dispose of this.
Oh, I'm gonna have to take the bodies out, and I'm gonna have to kill them, and I already killed them, never mind. Where the heck are you?
I'm Gregory, your State Farm agent.
I'm gonna have to kill you now, buddy.
Huh?
Everyone gets in my way, and they all die.
We'll find him.
Well, if we can't have him right now, what we do need is guns. Lots of guns.
Who's he talking to?
Are you sure this is the place? That's what he told us. Hello?
Hello, this is El Comico Grande. We've taken the liberty of acquiring Queerzo for you. You should be arriving in about 10 seconds.
10 seconds? What? How do you...
A shopping bag? Really?
Hey, it's Queerzo.
Hey. Oh gosh, it's you guys. Why am I here?
Well, we have stuff to do, don't you know? Oh my goodness!
No time to explain. Let's go shopping for guns. This place looks kind of small.
In a good way, though.
You're not wrong.
Greetings, Americanos. What would you like to buy? We have many wares here for you. So, boys, is this for pleasure or business?
There's a lot of people we needed to kill.
And I guess it's a bit of both.
Oh, that's good to hear. I love to see people getting out and having fun.
Sounds like a good time. We need lots of party favors, if you catch my meaning.
Oh, we have quite the selection here. The snub-nose shall do the job for that.
Alright.
What about this Silver Santa over here? How much for this?
Very expensive.
I'll take it.
Okay then.
Don't forget their car key.
Oh no, that's for sale.
Oh, how much?
It's free. You know what? I like you boys. I got something very special for you. Move the guns, boy. Here it is for you guys.
Yeah, the Rasta.
That's some top kick right there, man.
Spicy stuff.
So I take it you boys are impressed by my well-stocked stock. So what will it be? Guns or more guns?
More guns.
Just give your payment to my secretary. He handles all my affairs.
Hey, you, white boy, come here.
Alright, just take the payment. Just take it.
I like you so much, you deserve this.
Sir, I can't take this.
Take it.
Okay.
They will be delivered to your apartment shortly.
Good.
Do svidania.
Oh, and boys, it's been a pleasure working with you, Mr. Q.
So what was that, like, coin you used to pay the guy, the gun dealer?
I got it from a coin machine in Great Britain.
Oh, well, that's nice, nice. What do you think?
Well, that's a good question. We'll just have to see.
Wait a minute, here's something. What's that? Okay. Look at you.
Quit talking about that.
Hey, so, you guys, play Pokemon Go?
We've been waiting for you.
Meme team.
It's a perfect day to die.
Kill them right meow.
Hey, cut the crap.
Are you not feline our puns?
No, I'm not really feeling it.
No, no. You're not
No?
feeling it either? No, I don't think so.
Nope.
Dumb.
No. Well,
Stop.
yeah.
Fine then.
Gotta get this for my blog.
Ready?
enough of this fight.
Use it.
The secret weapon.
Yes.
Hajime Mashite.
No biggie.
I'm good.
We concede.
We'll be back.
Bro, these legs, they're coming in, dude. Left react, there we go, there we go.
Whew. That was a good fight. Wanna go get some Sonic?
Hey, I like Sonic.
Yeah, Sonic. Wait. Where's James?
I'm allergic to cats! Woo, man, swinging's so fun. I haven't done this in
so
forever.
good.
Man, I remember. Wait a minute.
What?
Weren't we just in the car? No, it's a transition scene. Between one scene and the other, the filmmakers can't just crowd them together. Right, editing. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Where's Queerzo?
Привет, gay boys.
Oh, my
jeez.
goodness. Don't scare me like that.
Nani tabemono desu ka?
Oh, you're right. Okay, let's go.
See, I wish we could have figured out who those two jokesters were with the cat masks.
Yeah, I mean, they did have masks.
They did have
So
masks.
it's pretty close.
They did. But, their cat puns were just so horrible.
I don't know, I thought they were funny. Said nobody ever. Alright, keep moving.
But I wish at a time like this we could get a briefing from from El Comico Grande.
There you go.
We really need his guidance at a time like this. We don't even know what our direction is right now.
I know. Man, it'd be so convenient. Wait a minute!
Tony! Drop the Skittles! Drop the Skittles right now, Tony! Okay, we gotta talk. I'm gonna get my money. I'm gonna make your dog wear a tutu. You know what I'm saying? Scram! What's this, a video call? I meant to swipe decline. What? Hello, team. How are things going? Yeah, good for me too. You're the boss, yes. He's got some guy named like the Iron Fist or something. I don't know, you probably should go find him. I'll probably send you coordinates or something. If not, good luck. But yeah, find him. He's probably got some information or something. I don't know. So, yeah, Tony, get back in here, Tony. I got some more talking to do with you.
I have an idea. See, the boss has his generals, chosen men who are ready for the task to defend him. If we take all the generals out, then he'll have no support system. He'll have to yield when we come for him. He'll be all alone.
That's true. Well, let's not waste any time.
All right.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Queezo, come on. All right.
I'm sorry, boss. We tried to catch them, but they slipped through our claws.
They had a car.
Clearly you weren't good enough. Report for upgrades immediately.
So, El Comico Grande said Iron Fist? He owns a gym around here. I think it's this way. And he should have some information on where exactly we need to go.
Let's go.
Yeah,
All right.
let's do it.
Let's kill him.
Well, we'll just see what we can do.
He's gonna die.
Oh, cool building.
What the hell do you want?
We're here to see the Iron Fist. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
Wait a minute.
What are shoes?
Oh.
been 3 minutes.
Swallow's Point?
That's right, James. Swallow's Point. And so we split up, scattering across the globe to search for answers. Quirzo went first to Miami.
Hey, I'm right here.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I went to Miami. It was pretty cool. I went down an elevator.
Oh man, that looks pretty neat. Where was that?
I don't know.
Oh, well, okay. Well, through his extensive searching, he went far and wide. Wait, what are you doing there?
I had to smell it.
Oh, with his amazing detective skills, he searched across Miami. And now we see what I was up to. I had secluded myself at a vacationing resort lake in Canada.
Hey, they don't look like Canada.
It was Canada, trust me. Anyway, I was trying to train my body and mind to withstand the might of our enemies. Little did I know my training would not prepare me for everything. And now we see what James is up to.
Yeah, I'm
Nope.
right here. No, hey, what are you doing?
Sorry. That was close.
Not there. I went back home to see a good friend, the mole.
How can I help you today?
I'm looking for the mole. Do you know where they are?
Yeah, we have a couple. There's an Erwin and there's an Erwinkle. We also have a vacancy for a rat.
Is Erwin still alive? I'm the mole.
Yeah, no.
Listen, I'm just looking for one piece of information. If you could make this work for me, I'd really appreciate it.
Oh, I know where you're from, the Badger! Well, we don't really tolerate that kind of thing here at Johnson & Johnson & Johnson and Erwinkle.
Calm down, he's with me. Hello, I'm Molly Olivia Leanne Erwinkle, also known as the Mole.
Nice to meet you.
Right this way. Oh, and by the way, Badger just sent in a new soapbox, so if you could scrub that out, that'd be great.
First internship.
And we're remodeling, so sorry for the mess. Come in. 1 second. Hold on. I'm almost there. So, what did you want to know?
I'm looking for a place called Swallow's Point. Have you heard of it?
Yes. I'll send you the coordinates. Sent to your device.
Good.
Why did you want to know?
Well, a guy named the Iron Fist. Murado Grande sent us. Okay, El Comico Grande, whatever.
That's not the problem.
Oh?
Have you ever considered that Grande Moroharo, or however you say his name, is leading you into a trap?
Well, why would you think that? Why would he do that?
Well, have you considered that? 4 years ago, December 14th, 1997, you were trying to use the Friendship Orbital Cannon to destroy all the masks, but it didn't work. And that's because everyone who uses the cannon must be a friend. So therefore, Grande Moroharo is not your friend.
How would you know that?
Because I am! 1 second. Hold on, this is really hard. Oh, hold on. Oh, I got it, wow. It's gonna be a big payoff. Hold on, don't look. I am one of them!
Okay.
Hold on.
Alrighty. Hold on a second. Hey guys, James here. I hope you're enjoying the movie so far. As you can tell, I'm in a bit of a dilemma, but I do have a couple options. Number 1, run. Number 2,
I'd go with number 1.
let's do that.
guys want to get takeout?
Okay, Josiah. Well?
It's popping!
No. Josiah, what's his number? Forget it.
Did we lose him?
Seems so. But don't worry. We'll catch up to him.
Josiah! Where you been, man? I've been trying to call you.
Hey, I'm so sorry. I have this new mode on my phone. It's called montage mode. It actually doesn't let anyone disturb me until my action montage is over.
Well, have you found any coordinates to Swallow's Point?
No, actually. The problem is, I don't have the resources that you and Queerzo have, and honestly, all I did was train, and train some more.
Ah, understandable. Well, luckily for you, I've got them.
Really? Well, where are they?
Well, it's on my device, at least I think so, but you'll just have to trust me on it.
All right, yeah, I'll roll with it.
So, say, what's with the ring?
Oh. Well, you know, sometimes training gets a little lonely, and I actually met someone. She really taught me some priorities, and, you know, my life has turned around a lot.
All right, cool, let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, wait a second. Where's Queerzo? He'll catch up to us.
Boss, there was some problems. We almost had them. We were really close, but there was a tank after
Really big tank.
It was huge. I ripped the main firing mechanism off of the tank.
And the second one, too.
You're asking for upgrades, you'll get them. Starting with your new uniforms.
Haha, all right. This internship's starting to pay off.
Yeah.
Whoa. I like the white swan to your swan.
Go.
Sure was nice of El Comico to invite us over for a picnic, eh, Josiah?
I hope you made lots of spaghetti.
Josiah, look! It's a message from Queerzo. Dear Pesky Brothers, I got held up in Florida, but I'll be there soon. I dare you to come and find me. Josiah, we gotta find Queerzo.
And you gotta help us.
I thought it said in my contract that I'd never be on camera.
Guess we should be getting near Swallow's Point, huh?
Hey, that's right. We need to be looking for clues. Wait a second. I think we're getting close.
How do you know?
My favorite color's blue. It must be a good sign, right? Let's keep going.
Hey, James, stop.
What?
I think we're lost.
What? No, we're not. The coordinates. We're like almost there.
Oh, come on. We're in the middle of nowhere. There's no landmarks or anything.
Wait. No. The ruins. The Swallow's Point. We're close. Come on.
All right. Wait.
What?
Do you hear that?
The music warning us we're in danger?
Yeah.
Hey. Oh, gosh. Okay, it's just Queerzo.
Greggy? My name is Ganon. Gregory is dead.
Gregory? Who's Gregory, huh?
You see, I was unconscious in the back of a trunk for 2 years. until I woke up and found my way out. Ever since then, I have traversed the forest, learning the true power of essential oils. I know you are seeking the wise one. I won't let you find him.
Is he gone? Oh, it's so good to see you. Thanks for the assist.
Couldn't have done it without you.
You guys are wimps.
Hey, I think it's getting late. We should probably get going.
Yeah.
Oh, they're coming. Must report to the wise one. Boss, I'm sorry. I couldn't defeat them. I didn't have my essential oils.
Take this lavender and go back out there and distract them for a bit longer. I'm not done with my final boss battle stretches.
Just a little closer.
Oh, watchtower. No one's there.
That means no one will see us coming.
Hey, it's you,
El Comico Grande.
Team, I was just interrogating this criminal about who his boss is. Who is your boss?
Someone else.
I know your tricks, Murado Grande.
Fine. I guess it's about time you knew.
And what exactly do you want us to know?
That the reason that I had you call me El Comico was I was setting you up for one big joke.
Are you saying we just got owned? Punked?
Hoodwinked. Yes, I was just monkeying around the whole time, sending you on missions to wipe out the masks, and I would sweep in after you, take all their assets. And now, I'm powerful enough to take you all on.
Not if we can help it.
Yeah, actually, I'm not done with my stretches yet. Why don't you go deal with this?
32 yen? Hokkaido? I'll do it.
Influenza!
Oh, gosh! Did you already get your flu shots this year?
Yeah, we did.
Disgusting vaccines.
Yeah, so 14 per scalp, 3 per leg, 12 per nose, pretty much anything for the rest. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call you back. I got a little bit of a situation here.
Enough!
Hermit Purple! Ha! We finally got it. And now that we got it, hold on.
No, don't!
Okay, now I think I'm ready. Got something for you.
Hey, let him go!
You'll have to find me first. Toodles, my doodles.
Find him where?
You'll find me at the theater.
What theater?
I'll just send you the coordinates.
Oh, okay, that works.
All right, let's get going.
Yeah.
I think this is the place.
How do you know?
Well, yeah.
Let's get in
Let's
there.
head.
So, you've arrived.
What have you done with Q-Boy?
Shh, don't you know your manners? This is a theater, and the show is about to start.
What did you do to him?
Oh, him? He's been cast in my show. You see, the world is my stage now, and whoever I give a mask becomes an actor.
What? That's impossible!
Only the strongest can be in the final act. So I must weed out the weak, make the strong fight each other, find out who really is the strongest. So why don't you go weed them out?
You man, stop. You don't want to do this. Hey!
Hey man, what's your deal?
Oh, world star!
There's something on your face. It was pain. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, quiet. I'm back.
Fine. I'll do it myself. Took my actor out. How about you meet the understudies? When I absorbed the masks into my conglomerate, I learned something. There's an organization made up of individuals with different levels of greed, different motivations, but that got all so messy. So I realized it'd be much easier if they all were under complete control. The masks I have on them takes away their freedom. They will obey. Then the masks are controlled, all from that conveniently placed laptop over there. Don't touch.
All right. Once more under the bridge, buddy?
Of course.
All right.
I gotta get out of here. Okay. Let's see. How do we do this? Internet. No. Howdy ho. Wait. Who are you? Who, me? I'm you, but smarter. Oh, get out of my way. That's what I thought. All right. Just back in here.
I told you not to touch that! No matter, even if you disable my masks, I still have one of my own. I will reject my humanity and become something greater.
Dear God.
This does put a smile on my face.
Okay, no, cut the cameras. This is a prop. We do not have the rights to this. Do you think you can follow the script for once in your life? Follow it. Roll back cameras.
What are we gonna do?
He's way more powerful than we could have imagined.
Take them.
Hey, aren't you?
Eh? Well, hello, gentlemen. I have your shipment here, right here for you, right? Yes?
What took so long? It was like 2 years ago.
Well, you see, it shows the no rush option, which means we can take as long as we need. For you, James, the legendary hammer of lightning. Using it, you may slay all your foes. For you, Josiah, legendary gloves of punching. And for Quirza, the legendary gun. Well, bye, Meraketskis. I hope to see you again soon.
Take them.
Hey, I got the two on the left.
I'll get them on the right.
All right, let's go.
Well then, let's do this.
Oh, hey, it's you.
Yeah.
Stop running! Yeah!
Where are the cats? Oh, I tossed some catnip back there. They'll be busy for a minute.
Come and get it.
I'll take red.
Ready? Go!
All right, we sure showed them. Hey, I'm gonna go help James, all right?
Why does it sound like someone just went through a dimensional gate? Whatever.
Josiah, somebody!
Hello, Queerzo. I look quite different than the last time we met. You left me for dead in that forest. In my brush with death, I became something greater. Now, no matter what price Murado has set on your head, I'm here for personal reasons. Manage to defeat me again, you coward, and I'm sure you'll be returned from where I took you from.
Huh, am I athletic enough for you two?
You think you're so perfect, don't you?
Kind of.
Felines of pain. No!
That was the last of my 9 lives. You caused 4 of them to end. I'm not feline so well.
Fireball wasn't for you.
This is a catastrophe.
You can kick me.
Avenge me. Meow.
No!
Winslow!
Here we go. What? Huh?
I thought you said the mainframe was down.
Oh, no, I already got through the system a while ago. You just gotta take their masks off now.
Oh, I didn't have to kill that guy.
Is that all? Okay. Yeah, here we go, Mario. Yeah.
All that for a drop of blood.
Why are you so tall?
What are you talking about?
Hey! James, do you need some help? I got your hammer! I got your hammer! I got it!
I can help. Hey!
Yeet?
What's going on?
Yeah, excuse me, what just happened?
Do you not remember almost killing us?
I will have my vengeance.
Yeah, didn't you ladies all notice the fact that whenever you're fighting us, you didn't actually want to this whole time? Aren't you all mad that Murado Grande tried to control you? I mean, you were his colleagues, his friends, his business partners. It ain't right.
Worst internship.
Purple Man needs to stop.
I've had enough! All of you, you work for me! The mask must have been hacked into and removed. No matter. You 3 have been the problem this whole time, and I will destroy you. Where's my power? Where's my superior strength?
We took away your powers with the power of friendship, because no one as evil as you deserves that.
No! It's not fair! It's not fair!
Wait, stop! We can't kill him.
We would be as low as him. We need to show mercy and take him in so he can pay for his crimes, right? Because he doesn't deserve to die, because death is quick and easy. We need to make him pay. In prison. And you know what?
I'll never go to prison. Never.
Oh my god!
What? Queerzo!
Oh my god!
You didn't have to kill him!
Yeah, you're right.
So you guys wanna, like, get some coffee sometime or something?
Oh, I
think there's a bit of a misunderstanding here because there's a lot of like boundary issues we gotta work through. There's a lot of hard pass.
I just killed my partner, so I'm just gonna go.
I have to go find another internship.
I really did just kill that guy, though. Yeah, it's a bit too soon. Yeah, you're right. You win some, you lose some. You know what? I kind of feel bad now because like we totally had like a thing at the end, and then I already called the police. And actually, I think it's them outside.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Yeah. Probably.
We should. Yeah. Good idea.
Let's go.
Queers on up!
Hey, thanks for the ride.
That was crazy. We almost got caught there, but water's not a bad idea.
Hey. How did you even get here before us, actually?
Well, I've got puppets in politics, and they have a lot of vehicles that they like to lend to Papa.
Oh, blackmail. Okay, that makes sense. Well, boys, we finally won, but at what cost?
Well, if I'm gonna be honest, the production value of this movie was a little bit more, and I still got a lot of editing to do. So
I think he's on to something.
I think he's on something. Who are you two always talking to whenever you just look off into the distance over there somewhere?
You'll understand one day.
Maybe I will. Hey, you guys hear that?
Oh, the voices? You hear them too? I thought I was alone.
The static.
Oh, yes, yeah, I do hear that. So first I'm hearing voices, and now a TV materializes before my very eyes. Realize real lies, because I'm a lyrical miracle.
Hey guys, Connor Vance takes a chance here. Coming with a new video.
No, I hate this channel.
Hello, team, and congratulations on destroying Murado Grande. As a result, the masks are gone. The friendship, well, it's been restored. Anyway, James, Josiah, and the other one, I love you both. And I miss you guys. Peace, boys.
Ah, man, I love that guy.
Yeah, it's always nice getting a message from Dad.
Mm-hmm. At least he talks to you two. That guy doesn't talk to me ever.
Oh yeah, you're right. Like, you know, at Christmas time, you know, we had this heartfelt conversation, and then he gave you his like favorite Camaro.
Oh yeah, that's awesome,
and
dude.
then what do you do?
Into crap. Into crap.
Yeah.
You want to go get some Five Guys?
Yeah, sounds great.
Yeah.
Come on,
Let's
man.
go,
It'll
man.
get better. It'll get better.
cheer you
It'll
up.
get better.
Burgers, fries.
So good. Oh man.
All right.
End of the road. You know, actually, guys, I got a dinner date with someone else tonight.
What? Serious?
Yeah. I know. Sorry, rain check. I'll get you next time. You know, actually, this is probably a good time for me to bring up that I'm thinking about retiring.
Retiring?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, giving up all the, the fighting, all the money, and just settling down, you know?
Oh, man. Well, I wish you the best of luck. I guess it has been like 7 years of this, huh?
Yeah, 7 long years.
Man.
Yeah, giving up all that money and profit. Small price to pay for salvation.
This guy.
Anyway, I'll catch y'all later. Get a girlfriend, nerds.
Well, I guess it's Five Guys alone tonight. Just like gold times. Other side. What am I doing?
Let me see the rain before it falls. to open every place in my mind. Because I figure it out either way. Everybody goes through times when they just seem to figure it out. So give me space and I'll find a way to open every place in my mind.
Ah, Queerzo. Decide to visit me on my vacation, huh? Yeah. So what do you want? The files. Ah. You mean this? Yeah. Wait. Queerzo! No.
For good this time.
Hey guys, we're filming Bears 4 here. I'm gonna sick parkour scene. Nice. Good execution. Yes. No.
Oh, assist.
Oh man, that's so bad. Oh, jeez. Here we go. Oh.
That grabbed. That hurt. You know, Kyle, just forget it.
Why does everyone get in my way? Don't laugh, boy.
Just give your payment to my secretary.
Take it.
Okay.
You deserve it.
Much obliged. I'll be dreaming about you tonight.
You're welcome, young boy.
I'm out of here, man.
Accept his gift.
I hope he made lots of spaghetti.
Josiah, wait.
Run. More hard. Grundy, more hard, Ro.
You arrived.
Hey man, stop. You don't want to do this. Helps us with the control. We're filming, man.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I am not Pluto.
Shut up! You're vanished!
Bears on a waterfall.